Hello, hello. We've got an unboxing here. All right, let's see what we have. This was sent over by Fifine, and it was here, 2 days. So that's pretty good. Go Amazon. Oh, cool. Okay, so what we have here is the Fifine T60669, all right, as you can see, right? And so I like that box. Comes with an instruction manual. You know, this thing basically just mostly is, I guess, setting up the boom for it, but you know, this is basically just a plug and play mic for the most part. Wow, that looks just like my my other one. So I have the desktop version of this with the little 3-leg tripod, and I'm extremely happy with it. It gave me excellent performance. So we have a USB cord here, and I believe this is about 10 feet. And here is the table clamp, which seems to be pretty standard. Yeah, that's a good quality clamp. We're looking good there. Let's see, what else? And then the boom itself, which is just pretty standard. So that's pretty nice. Very cool. Let's see, what else do we have? We have oh wow, a shock mount. So I wondered about this. So this is like basically just a permanent shock mount, and it's gonna go in there like so. Read the instructions, Mike. Oh yeah, look. This side up. So yeah, she'll go in like that. And that is threaded, so you'll be able to mount it down. And that is pretty cool. And oh, they gave us some extra, I don't know what you call these things. Bungees. Yeah, like mini bungees. And that's for the shock mount here. So pretty cool. And it's kind of something you're going to want when you have a boom anyway. Honestly though, with the desktop version, I never had a problem. And then there is our little threaded ring for the hold down and a rubber grommet for something. Again, read the instructions. But yeah, there you have it. Oh, cool. Look at this. We have a little pop filter that goes over the top of that. So it'll install like so. So stay tuned for the review, and I'm going to actually demonstrate this too. I really like these. My general, okay, I'm going to see, but my operating position on my other mic is about right there. So it'll be interesting to see if there's any difference in that. So anyway, okay, you guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and yeah, there we go.